Hey everyone, Hunter with Injected Motorsports. We're out here today testing some stuff on the UTVs and off-road. We posted on before, but we're going to show you real quick on the AGM jack. There's two different styles. You can get the ratcheting style, or this one is the lithium Milwaukee, or you can actually get the DeWalt style, and it's done by a control here. So you can see if you ever get stuck out, obviously it has different mounting points. You can actually use the hook, use the plate. They have actually weldable mounting brackets you can actually weld to your frame wherever you want it. So if you're on the trail, however your vehicle, your UTV mounts to. I'm just showing this for a demonstration. You can see how high it can go, even higher. Go back. That's as far as we go there. That's still pretty high, and you can see that tire's off the ground. You can actually move this if you actually needed to, but like I said, there's better mounting points. So I'd give you a little quick tour on this. It's really good stuff. They're out trail riding, they're out in the ranch, stuck in the mud, whatever. It's a must have. Alright guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank y'all for watching.